What's up, guys? So it's finally track day. I haven't been to the track since like November. This is the first time I'm going with the car painted and all complete, so I'm super stoked. Probably gonna feel like my first track day again because it's been so long, so I think there will be a lot of spin outs and whatnot, but I think we're ready to go. The car is pretty much ready to go. I ended up not raising it. I decided to just keep it as is. I guess we'll have to see what happens with the fenders. I think this is the last day of the car looking this pretty. I don't think it'll ever look this pretty again unless I repaint the whole thing again, but whatever, it's a drift car. Should be a good day. It's Friday. I haven't been to the track on a Friday. All the homies are gonna be there. Wifey's coming along. Are you excited?
I just realized I'm in the
Anyways, it should be a good day. It's nice out, the weather's nice, but it is Friday, so traffic might suck. So we should head out. Dang, what do you do for a living? Okay, baller. He just finished the swap.
It's so dirty, the cap.
Nah, dude, it looks clean. It looks clean. I like the color of the engine bay.
Yeah.
This is the first guy in the squad to do a swap. This is sick, dude. It's gonna be his first track day. Literally got it tuned yesterday, right?
Yeah.
What did it make?
306.
306. Nah, that's pretty good. Reliable.
That's what I told him.
Yeah.
What do you want to make the car?
A reliable 300 horsepower 1J. Sick. Alright, here's the very first run. It's been a while. Let's see how this goes. That wasn't too shabby. That's it. Alright, so we just got here. We're pretty late. There's only like 3 hours left. But there's no tech, so we're just going straight into drifting. It's kind of dope. Yeah, I did one run and the paint's chipped, so I don't really care at this point. I could just keep sending it. And I didn't have to raise the car, so that's dope. Oh, look at David. Look at David. Ah, David's first time at the track. Woohoo! That was pretty crazy. How was that as the first run?
It was good.
Alright, so this is going to be the first run on the actual track. I guess it's going to be the real test to see how the fenders do. They're either going to be completely destroyed after this, or we'll be fine and I don't have to worry about raising the car anymore. I know that's all I've been talking about, but I just want my car to look clean.
Me too.
That was the first actual full send. I'll check my fenders. Oh, they're flared. They're not clean anymore.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they flared out.
Should I go look?
No, that's fine. We'll look at it after. Dang it. They're just barely flared, so we're good.
Makes me sad.
You know, discontinued fenders, no big deal. It's fine, they're metal. If they were fiberglass, they would have been long gone. That's why it's nice to go with the metal front end. Fudge, we have a full car. That was kind of rough. We got 3 people in here. How was it? compared to last time? How did it feel compared to last time?
Rough.
I know, like the
Actually.
car feels hecka weak for some
Yeah.
reason. Oh, I had to keep clutch kicking. I didn't have to clutch kick as much last time.
No.
I don't know if the temperature has anything to do with it.
Oh, maybe.
But this is the first time we're drifting where it's like hot out. I mean, it's not too hot, but we went drifting in the winter before, so maybe that's the difference. I don't know. I should probably check my tire pressure too. All right, boys, we're doing some tuning.
No, it's just temporary. I don't have gauges yet.
Nice, dude. That was
all third gear.
third gear?
Yeah.
Damn, that was his first time ever on the track too.
That was scary. The first turn.
Yeah, the first turn's kind of sketched.
Yeah. I just didn't know what to do.
That felt good though, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Yikes. That's a big yikes. What's going on?
You can't make this up.
This is a movie.
Just started the car.
We fixed the window.
Yeah,
All right, hold on. Who's gonna explain? So we're the last ones here. We already had one car break down. They towed him out of here. Then his window broke, so we pulled his switch out.
My switches.
We got his window to go up, and we're getting ready to leave. And the door is locked.
And the car is running.
The car is running, and we have no way to get into it.
Forgot the part where his wheel flew off.
Oh yeah, his wheel flew off.
Wheel spacers broke.
Yeah, the spacers broke. That's the story on that. All right, let's see if this works.
Yo, maybe go from this corner.
It's like a lot of flags.
I'm gonna go take an antenna off that Civic right now.
Yeah, go do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab it. All right, thank you so much. We're in luck. We got a coat hanger, boys.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice.
Is it not long enough? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it's just bending. I need like something more stiff.
That's what she said.
Almost there.
It's
Yeah, I got it.
window's down. I'm sitting in front of it. This window's open.
All the way?
All the way.
Oh.
Nice.
Birthday.
Nice. What are we camping out here now?
Surviving off of the snacks that we have.
Drift car problems. This guy straight from the beach, rescuing cars. What do you do for a living?
Sell drugs, guys. That's the way to go.
Yeah, got a bunch of drug dealers out here.
Wait, aren't you guys supposed to be like enemies or something? When somebody's running low, you hit up the other guy.
Drift car down. Dude, how was your first track day?
It was amazing.
It was amazing till now. Hashtag race car. Oh my gosh, bro.
Wow.
The freaking movie continues. We stopped by a gas station real quick and I couldn't go over 60 because the car was vibrating super bad and I didn't know what was going on. Check this out, bruh. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I went through that much tire. Dude, what?
It's actually crazy.
Oh my goodness, good thing
I'm telling you, dude. Camberware sucks.
Is this tire like that too? What? How's this tire fine?
All the time. It was my freaking stance, boys.
Look at his tire.
I think he's missing some tire. Alex, what's wrong with his tire? Did you see his tire? Did you see his tire? See his tire? Is that a Milwaukee? Is that a Milwaukee? I was watching. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, what's going on?
Good as new? Not really.
Oh, somewhat. I mean,
Better?
we'll make it home on these.
Safely.
We still have like an hour drive. Good to go. Hopefully no more vibration. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We ended up making it home just fine. Some of the carnage from the track, as I already showed you guys, was just this fender. So some of the paint chipped off and it's slightly flared out, which isn't a big deal because maybe I'll get this car resprayed someday, but I do wish that I would have, ooh, I just chipped some more paint. But I do wish that I would have flared the fender before I got the car painted, but it is what it is at this point. The only other thing was these marks back here. I ended up smacking a tire that blew out on someone on track. Other than that, the car did very well. We got a few hours of seat time. We unfortunately showed up pretty late, but it's not a big deal. There will be more track days in the future. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see me do with the S14 next, or maybe some S2000 content. But other than that, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone that supports me and has subscribed to my channel. We're almost at the 10K mark, which is literally mind-blowing to me. I never thought I would have got there. But I am planning on doing a giveaway, so maybe let me know what you guys would want me to give away, and I'll take it into consideration. But I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.